खुर्शीद सर आप कुछ बताएंगे इस लैब के बारे में? प्लीज कम ना, खुर्शीद सर कुछ बताएंगे. तो बेसिकली
this is a lab. This is you can learn different types of scientific machines. For example, you see different types of small planes, and in this is a JCB machine. JCB machine how it works? It is a hydraulic machine.
can you give a demo? See. And we will teach you here how to make this machine in practical, so that you become future engineers. Therefore, we have teachers like Kushik sir who gives you very good guidance, isn't it?
Okay, my dear. Done now. Now on the next one.
So is it whatever you need to carry, you need to carry it from here. It will go up, it will come down. So we will teach you how to make these machines.
Now come to the next one. This is a weightlifting machine. Okay, this one is also based on height. Okay, my dear. Please see how this works.
See?
Then we put some weight on this. Then after yes.
So, do you think your school is best?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please come. See.
Come.
There are different types of instruments used in making the machines.
So, can you show me?
This one.
Whenever you have to see sometimes mechanics repairing tires, देखा है ना? आप लोगों ने देखा है कि mechanics जब टायर रिपेयर करते हैं, कोई चीज़ को रिपेयर करने के लिए इसको use करते हैं। But generally, जब आप काफी स्कूल में होंगे तो guidelines और even you
Only see in book.
you see the
We
books?
see in class 6 or 7 book. But we are really experience so that you work properly, you learn properly how they work. Understand or not?
See, all the instruments are here.
This is the machine to cut the irons and wood. Okay? Okay, my dear. This is a long scale. Clear? This is long scale. This one is short. Okay.
We are making you learn everything in the class, isn't it?
Okay,
Come.
my dear. This one is the long tape.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
So what is
These
it
are the
used for?
distance. You will study this one in class 6 measurement.
Measurement chapter is there in class 6?
That is you will study. Okay? This one is also one of the trick. Okay, my dear? This one is used by the different class now. This one 5 meter. This one is used by the and other things. Understand? My dear?
So what is this? I have seen this in jewelry stores. I have seen this in jewelry stores. Can you tell me the use of weight of units.
Milligrams.
Milligrams.
2 milligrams. Okay. Now come to the next. This one.
So we go from here. After having chalo, let's go.
This one is also hydraulic press.
Wow, hydraulic press, sir.
Yes. This one you can see in Kolkata.
Have you seen Asha now which bridge is
There.
in Kolkata?
Howrah
Howrah Bridge.
One of the bridges in Kolkata, there it will open to pass the large ship or boats.
It
Okay?
gets open, sir.
Yes.
Wow. Can you show how?
This one. Okay? Similar, both of them, place both of these. This is open and give the way to pass the ships. Okay? And after that, when we close, it is the way. path
Now
to the-
what you will be getting is you will be getting a kit. Like these are all materials. You will be getting one kit. Your teacher, one specially designed teacher is coming, is in India, along with Kushik sir. They will be guiding you how to make it. But you will be getting along with the activities, all the materials you will be getting. So that you can keep it at your home also. Generally, you don't have to just but we will teach you how to make it in school itself. Because my children are future astronauts, future engineers, and future
Okay? From basic, you get the science, how it works, and then when you go at engineer level, you can easily prepare these types of things. Your mind is already made in such a way that you can.
Did you like it?
No. This one is the soldering machine.
Let's say use of soldering machine.
What to connect the wire, to connect the wire to this in circuits with the
Connect the wire.
Okay. And this one okay. This is the blue. My
This is
dear.
generally you will do. Yes, this is to charge the light. This is a thing that you make.
This one is to charge the my dear.
Very good. That's good.
Now move to this one. We have the
Now we
model.
have come to the place. This is the place. See, now till now we've heard about science. We've seen about science. Now this is a place about space signals. So,
This one is the rocket. Rocket is the then we have to send a space ship to a space. So we take help of rocket. At the top of the rocket, we place a spaceship and then it launch goes to the
like missiles.
missiles to have different single technology, but in the rocket we place a space at the top. Okay, then the missile goes to the space where it will cartridge. Understand now? Missile also for missile are different types.
So we are not only this is not only a piece which is here. We will be teaching you how to prepare and how the space signals are going. This will be this topic is really good. We will do it practical also.
Yes.
It's not that it's a dummy which we have kept.
Then
That will be, you will be getting a kit and your teacher, specialized teacher is coming. He will be guiding you with the help of Kushik sir. Even we are providing training to Kushik sir and other teachers for this specific aloe. Sir, after we are getting training on it, how you are doing?
very
Very good.
okay, my dear.
We are basically appointing teachers from outside studies, we will be getting all the good activities also.
All the Arduino materials related we can use the electricity.
So this is drone.
And not
Yeah, even you will know how to fly a drone and how to make even a drone.
fly the drone.
And not only my children are going to learn how to fly a drone, how to make a drone, this lab is also there. Are you happy?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes, ma'am.
We have also some electronic components. Further we will learn about how to make circuits and
Wow.
all of this.
Happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Even how to drive or make a car, parts of a car, automated drive car,
Also create an automatic car.
automated machine, automated drive with an helper. Wow. Very good. Let's move forward. We move out here. Have you seen when the opening was there? This is not a dummy. It just flies 5 kilometers and it came back. So what you have to learn that? What you have to do with this? You will be learning how to fly. See, it is not a dummy. It has its wire, it flies. Your teachers are guiding, will be guiding, and it is made out of thermocol and wires. So your teachers will be guiding you. This is a toolkit for making it. This is a toolkit for making an aeroplane. So your teachers will be guiding you how to make an aeroplane and how to fly it. So this is a special training webinar to the students of. So you liking it?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me fly one aeroplane. Come on, let's try together. Come, come, come.
Let's
Come everyone, push it. Let's try together. So.
This is telescope. You can see our situated object. Understand my dear? This one. Okay, my dear. By adjusting some lens, focal length, you can see our situated object. My dear?
Liking it? Come. Are you able to see? Have you seen now printing machine?
Yes, ma'am.
See, have you seen printing machine?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now how to make a printing machine? See, this also you will be learning how it works. Now for this also,
Something you can see here, goes inside.
shift back. Come here and see. Come.
You lift it, you press something. Understand? Paper and another thing. When you press, it will be.
Yes, definitely.
So now when you will be able to make this machine, you can print your copies also yourself. Isn't it? But don't try to print exam copies. God bless you. Similar objects, 3D printing machines also we have so that we can, my children can learn everything. I want to make them astronauts, I want to make them engineers. My children should learn everything under one head. So, okay, engine of a plane. This is the engine of a plane. So mostly you people know how the plane runs. So this is a plane engine. See, how to make a plane engine. This will also be guided to. Okay. And this place is really good. So can you please write about this? Sir? Layering machine. So if you want to pick it, open up the future.
To bring cut down or making holes. Okay, ma'am. Pin is provided, making holes in irons.
Okay, iron objects. To make holes in iron objects also we have a machine. So we are guiding students everything under one head. So beautiful wind tunnel. Wow. See the beautiful wind tunnel here.
This one is the wind tunnel. Okay. When we apply electricity on something, it will operate. Okay.
The uses of it.
Different places.
Yes, it is also used.
Okay, my dear.
We have a drill machine. We can do drill here. Keep objects here. Okay, hold it and press. See, we have created a hole in that hole.
Eighth station. Yes.
I'm excited. You know the fumes coming out of it? See the fumes? When this will really operate, you will feel that fumes are there everywhere, how the way it works. You will really feel that you're making something special. At this stage, you will be writing this, but otherwise, the study goes with past 12th standard. So then we are giving you now.
Satellites. Yes. You study about satellites.
Yes, sir.
Study about artificial satellites.
Yes, sir.
Remote satellite and some of the artificial satellite that used by our government, different country government used for different purpose. Understand now? For the and different purpose for scientific and for research. They use artificial. Understand now? Will be of different types on the basis of their heights. Okay?
Wow. Yes. Do you like this? Missile station, satellite stations, all the stations under your school. So you can learn everything. Happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Cheer up then. Clap for your school and for this lab. So let's move on the classes. I thought to get you over everything so that I call your teacher. कि सर आप बताएं मेरे बच्चों को इसके बारे में. And your lab is beginning from Monday.